Good morning, all of you. Myself, Rajulal Soni, PGT Biology, Saint Joseph Public School, Tonk. Today, we will discuss about the male part of a flower. Male part of a flower. We will now go in detail for description of male part of a flower. Male part of flower is stamen, and stamen have three parts. Number one, filament. Number two, connective, and number three is anther. Now I want to attention you please. Connective and filament both does not participate in reproduction. Therefore, these are non-fertile part of flower. Non-fertile part. It means that does not participate in reproduction. Anther is only fertile part of flower. Anther is fertile part of stamen. Each anther have 4 chambers. How many chambers? 4. These 4 chambers you can see easily here. Anther of angiosperm is bilobed. Bilobed means 2 lobe. How many lobes? 2. देखिए एक लोब ये बन गया हमारे पास, ये रहा, यहाँ से यहाँ तक, and second lobe ये. Each anther is bilobed and each lobe have 2 theca. Theca means 2 chambers. एक chamber ये रहा, एक chamber ये रहा. Thus, therefore, we know anther is bilobed, anther is dithecous. Whereas each anther have 4 spherical structures which produce pollen grain known as microsporangium. 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 spherical structure is known as microsporangium and they are 4 in numbers, hence anther is tetrasporangiate. Anther is tetrasporangiate. What is the function of anther? Function of anther is production of microspore. What is microspore? Microspore is nothing. Microspore are pollen grains. Now we are going further. Structure of microsporangium. What is microsporangium? Microsporangium is the unit of anther which produce pollen grain. There are 4 microsporangium. They are situated inside the anther. We should have to make a transfer section to study about the microsporangium. Microsporangium's detailed structure is here now. Microsporangium is surrounded by 4 wall layers. How many wall layers? 4. Outer, look here. I am making cells. These are cells. Outer layer, number 1 layer, that is epidermis. It is a single uniserrated layer. Second, inner, that is endothecium. It is an important layer of anther's microsporangium. Number 2 layer, that is known as endothecium. Third layer, inside the endothecium, that is middle layer. These are the 3 wall layers. Inside the middle layer, there is an important layer. I want to plot here. This is our middle layer. After it, there is an important layer, very most important layer situated inside the middle layer. Look in this phenomena. This layer is known as tapetum. Fourth one layer, tapetum. Inside the tapetum layer, there the tissue is situated. This tissue is known as microsporogenous tissue. Microsporogenous, माइक्रोस्पोर फॉर्म करने वाला टिश्यू, बनाने वाला टिश्यू, microsporogenous tissue is situated, is diploid in nature, true and. Whenever chromosomes occurs in pair, then it is known as diploid condition. Microsporogenous tissue is made up of specific cells. These cells are situated here. What is tissue? Tissue is a group of cells which perform similar function. It means all of these blue color cells are nothing. These are the same cells which forms a tissue, that is microsporogenous tissue, to perform a similar function. What is the similar function? Production of microspore is the similar function of all of these cells, and these cells are known as, now I am erasing the heading, these cells are known as M.C. MMC. Full name is microspore mother cell. Microspore mother cell are diploid in nature, that is 2n. They will participate in meiosis and will form haploid microspore, that is n. This haploid microspore will convert in pollen grains, which is the male part or male gametes of a flower. Thank you.